Hello and welcome back to On to Workbench. Today we're taking a look at this Craftsman Multimeter Test Lead Kit, part number 82399. This was purchased recently online from Sears.com. I've not actually seen this in my local Sears stores. Your mileage may vary, and in fact your local Sears store may be actually closed or out of business. So again, your mileage may vary. You want to take a look at this. Bought this as an accessory for my multimeter kit. And so let's take a look and see what you get in the box. I hate this clamshell packaging. And so this kit was about $16. Your mileage may vary with the Sears points game. This comes with a pouch, an instruction sheet, and that's it. So inside this pouch, it's a Velcro closure, and we've got a handful of test blades. So on this pouch, we'll start right here. We've got our test leads here. These actually have no end on them. That's just a basic end and a basic end here to plug into your meter. So let me grab my meter. Here we go. Here's my meter of choice. This is an older one, 82139. One of the reasons why I went with this when I bought it was because this has the dedicated port for temperature sensors. And I've got a variety of temperature sensors in my toolbox for if I need to take the temperature of coolant or take the temperature of something indoors or outdoors. I can just simply plug it in or stick the thermometer into my dash if I'm checking the AC temperature. Works great, simple port, no adapter necessary. And so with these leads, you can take the end of these leads. We'll put that into the COM and this one into, assuming we're not doing an amperage test. All right, and now we've got the other ends here available for use. These are capped to keep them clean. And then the other ends here, we have the options of either out of this pocket here, we've got squeeze alligator type clips. So we can just simply put that in like that. And then the red one on like that. And now we've got a set of alligator jaw leads for our meter. Take those off. And then here we've got some nice squeeze ones. These have a nice little very sharp end on them. A little bit of a bulb here for being able to get into other types of connectors. This is great for probing certain types of connectors. Or protect that and just have that little pen end. Squeeze that end. See, it's on the wrong lead, but you get the picture. And so you got those, of course, in red and black. And then the other lead over here. And these are also known as mini hooks. But you can just try to get this right in as you're trying to carefully tap a circuit and see what you're trying to read off it. So you got that as another option. So this provides you some options and some various ends. Now I wish they actually sold this pouch separately because I'd probably put some of my other adapters and wires in there. Just for comparison, here are the regular leads that came with the multimeter that I've used for years now. And these just have that straight barbed pin. And put that side by side with these that have that bulge that allows you to kind of more firmly get inside of a connector to be able to probe, especially like an automotive quick connector, to give you a nice positive connection on that is just a standard lead end might not get. And now with a minimal amount of repackaging, I got the leads that came with this kit, the ends that came with the kit, and my regular leads all in the same little set of storage pouches. So then I can just fold this up or lay it out and have all my leads together. And so this is just a quick look at the multimeter test lead kit from Craftsman, 82399. Flip this over on the side, contents made in China, no surprise. I'm not sure who the OEM is on this here. I know this OEM was made by X-Tech, and most of their multimeters were all X-Tech OEMs. So I hope you found this video useful and interesting. Click the thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye.